Welcome to Between the Panels. I'm here on the roof with Max of Max and Aki. And a bit of a backstory, I guess. I've personally been a follower of Max's YouTube channel since years now. And over the years, I've enjoyed the content, and it sort of changed tune a little bit from van life to beautiful rainforest life. And you're now on a journey to live sustainably here in the rainforest. And just recently, I saw some content you put out around Cyclone Alfred and how you were really affected by those outages. I thought, now's the time. I've got to reach out to Max and see if we can help.
When you guys reached out, I was like, this is exactly what my property needs. This is exactly the kind of company that I want to work with. I love what you're doing for the community. I love that you're giving back. I am so appreciative of these guys coming around, and all the stuff you guys are doing with RESINC is unreal. And you guys are just got so many awards. I was looking on their website last night, and they're leading the solar game here in Australia, and I'm just stoked. Stoked to have the best gear by the best team getting installed.
So the battery system that we installed for you today was in conjunction with Anker SOLIX.
Yep.
So we've installed a 15 kilowatt Anker battery that's made up of 3 5 kilowatt modules, sitting with a 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter on the top. So if in the future you did want to expand your storage capacity, you could add 5 kilowatt storage blocks at a time, which is nice that it's expandable as your energy needs might change. What are you looking forward to getting out of the solar and battery system that we've put on the property?
This has been my goal since I moved on to the property, was to become self-sufficient, and this has just gotten me so much closer to it. The light changes dramatically here from summer to winter, and we're coming right into winter at the moment, so we have got more shade. But with that, you've given me that bigger system, and I'm confident it's going to run everything that I've currently got, and the ability to expand it with me is unreal.
With the shade as it comes in different seasons, is we've actually optimized every single panel.
My understanding of the optimizer is essentially like with the shading, if there's shading falling on certain panels, without the optimizers, it reduces the efficiency of all the panels. But by having the optimizers on there, it kind of isolates those affected ones and allows all the other panels to still operate at maximum efficiency.
When you're living this sort of rural lifestyle, you are a little bit more vulnerable when it comes to power outages.
As soon as there's any big storm where there's winds, trees go down, and a tree's almost always going to hit the power line. So this year alone, I've had 6 separate incidences where the power's gone out for more than a day. And then Cyclone Alfred that came through, the power here actually ended up being out for 7 days. And I did have some portable home backup systems, but it just wasn't enough. So having solar that is now going to top up the battery ongoing and a far bigger battery storage system has just completely changed my ability to just stay here ongoing off-grid. This is the future, I think, of home power and everyone having their own mini power station at home. And it makes sense that with it being the future, all the stuff looks kind of futuristic and sleek, and it doesn't take away from the aesthetics of your home that you've worked so hard on to build. So couldn't be happier with both the solar and the Anker, and I check back in with me. I can't wait to see how it all performs, but I have no doubt it's going to do really well.